This is sort of slightly outside what we're talking about now, but it's assuming that kind of link between investment and ethics, which does, as you say, sometimes work very well in this sense. That's assuming that the free market will always be looking after the best interests of what it's involved in. And there are a lot of examples, very big examples, where that doesn't work. The health system, for example, the health system in the US versus the NHS here. We've realized that running a decent health system is something that we have to invest money in socially. It's not a money-making exercise. You can't apply the same free market systems to it. The US, which is a free market system, spends much more. It's a very inefficient system. They spend much more on every individual than we do here. So there are some cases where the free market forces don't really apply so efficiently.
I agree 100%. Completely and utterly agree. Now, that's one of the things I've been looking at. And for example, one of the things I've been looking at is in India, you can produce pharmaceuticals at a 20th of the price.
Yeah.
It just happened 5 days ago that one of the Japanese pharmaceutical companies has put in a bid to buy Ranbaxy, the Indian company, because of exactly this, is governments can't afford to pay for the pharmaceuticals. Now, there's all these people in India who can produce them very cheaply. The world changes very quickly when it comes to economics. It works sometimes against it, and sometimes companies do bad things.
That's like
other times it can move also in your favour. It's just about spotting which ones are going to work in that right way. And that generic pharmaceutical industry, obviously those guys are the guys who are selling the pharmaceuticals to Africa. And it's people like the big pharmaceutical companies who are stopping them because of the patents.
Yes,
and that may
one.
change. And that's a bet you may want to take.